Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at The Credit Lady coming to you with some information on the Rule of 72. So the Rule of 72 is a finance term, and really what it is a simplified way of stating how fast it's going to take for your money to double based on the rate of return that a bank, let's say, is providing you for putting your money in their system. So let's say you Google what is the current interest rates on savings accounts. In many instances, it's going to be less than 1%. And let's say you want to put $10,000 into a savings account at Wells Fargo, and they're paying you 1%. It's literally going to take 72 years for your money to double to $20,000 at a 1% interest. I'm not sure about you, but many people don't have 72 years to wait for their money to double. So one of the most important things that I do here at The Credit Lady is I teach people how to make, manage, and multiply money so that they can create passive income streams that will pay them over and over again. And we do this by using credit. I teach people how to get credit or debt that pays them. Real estate is a good example of that. Learning how to buy businesses is another example of that. So those are just two examples that I have in my arsenal. But being a private banker, I want to show people how to utilize their credit as a tool for building wealth, not just going into debt for houses and cars, where you always have to spend your time going out to work to pay for these things. If you're not learning how to create income that's paying you and servicing these debts, you're going to be in trouble for a long time. So 2023 is going to look a lot different here at The Credit Lady. Yes, we're still helping people restore their credit. We're going to help people build business credit and get access to business funding. Those things are not going to change. But what's going to change is that the empowering part of the education is going to change. These are not going to be courses. These will be live sessions of you actually learning what it looks like, what it takes for you to make, manage, and multiply money, how to make, manage, and multiply credit, how to make, manage, and multiply debt that pays you. If you Google how wealthy people get paid and how to get wealthy, it's because they are looking for ways all the time to get into more debt because the debt is paying them. If you don't learn to do what wealthy people are doing, you will forever be living in a rat race. So if you want to get connected, go to creditladyconnection.com.